It is difficult to overstate the impact that the Urus, Lamborghini's $200,000 sport utility vehicle, has had on the legendary Italian carmaker. In 2017, the 56-year-old company produced fewer than 3,900 cars globally. This year, thanks to the Urus, it expects distribution to reach 8,000. It is an easy car to love, with 7 drive modes and seating for 5. The Urus packs a 0 to 60 mph sprint time of 3.6 seconds. Its 4.0-liter V8 engine gets 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, the most of any production SUV today. Top speed is 190 miles per hour. The all-new, carbon-neutral facility opened in early 2018 after a year and a half of construction. It is located in Sant'Agata Bolognese, the same town the brand has inhabited since its first model, the 350 GT. The facility doubles the company's total footprint to 160,000 sqm of the former farmland Ferruccio Lamborghini bought in 1963 to build cars that could compete with Ferrari. The operation includes a new paint shop and a track with 13 surfaces oriented towards testing the Urus for different road and weather conditions. The Urus factory illustrates a new model of manufacturing for Lamborghini, which Lamborghini Chief Manufacturing Officer Ranieri Nicoli called Manufacture Lamborghini. The model was developed to provide flexibility in production schedules, allowing workers such as those above to adjust the timing of their schedule installing the chassis and transmissions. It also allows improved access to information in the factory line, allowing workers to determine the progress of a vehicle along every stop of assembly. The model also facilitates connectedness among workstations on the factory floor, thanks to centralized clock and timekeeping systems, little helper robots that move parts and tools among stations, and ergonomic lifts. Of the 1,800 workers employed at Lamborghini's headquarters northeast of Bologna, Italy, 700 of them work on the Urus line. Shifts run twice a day, 5 days a week, with 2 or 3 workers at each assembly station. The cars in this photo are nearing the end of production, receiving Nappa leather seats, leather trimming for the doors and interior cabin, and sound system speakers before final quality checks. Some 26 Urus SUVs such as these are completed daily. Lamborghini belongs to Volkswagen AG, so the Urus is based on the same platform as the Bentley Bentayga, the Audi Q7 and the Porsche Cayenne. Here, a just-finished Urus in Giallo Aug, Yellow Boom, rolls off the line to complete final quality checks and undergo at least 50 kilometers of on-the-road testing in the Bologna region before it can be delivered. Under the Industry 4.0 model, as the trend of automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies is known, robots collaborate with workers to improve repetitive operations such as gluing windows, shown here, screwing in bolts underneath the vehicle chassis and assembling wheels. This robot is designed to provide ergonomic assistance for the workers using it, allowing them to perform very little repetitive lifting and bending. A centralized clock counting down how much time remains on the factory floor before the next change in workstations. In the event of an issue down the line, the clock resets until it is resolved. Such attention towards increased efficiency is part of the Industry 4.0 model. It takes roughly 7 cowhides to cover the interior of an Urus SUV. Customers can choose among dozens of colors or design their own customized piping and stitching on the seats through the separate atelier. The leather cutting and the stitching of details on the seats are done by hand in the factory. The waiting list for Urus SUVs in the US, its biggest market, runs from 3 months to more than 6, said Reggiani. If you want a custom creation, the wait is longer.
energy tech inside.